press the C key to switch on the dynamometer. On the screen, we will be able to see different types of units to measure the calibration or the force with which we tighten the screws, such as kilograms per centimeter, newtons and pounds. We will make a sample with kilograms. Depending on whether we want to increase the percentage of force we are going to apply, we keep pressed up or down. In this case, we will work with 106 kilograms. Before blocking, if we also want to add the degrees, we have to keep pressing the U, and here we will see the percentage of degrees we want. Let's put 3 degrees. Press C to return to the main menu, and keep the M pressed to lock the screen. This way it will keep still. In this case, when the registered force is reached, it will automatically switch to degrees. During the execution of the operation, the dynamometer will indicate and warn us when we reach the data we have set from the beginning.